Okay?
Yes.
This is Tumlong. She's such a funny puppy. So playful, affectionate, and confident. With just the odd telltale sign of what she's been through. She was only 2 months old when she was brought into one of our mobile clinics. She'd been found lying in the middle of the road. She was underweight, very anemic, and too weak to stand. But she was adorable. We all fell in love with her.
Her ears are so cute.
Her right foreleg was swollen at the metacarpal joint. But her most shocking injury was a gaping wound on her back.
Oh, that's huge.
When she was found, it was full of maggots. She never whimpered once while her wound was being cleaned and treated.
Brave girl.
She had an ultrasound and an x-ray to find out what was going on with her leg. The x-ray showed inflammation, but no sign of a break. So the vets couldn't tell what had caused the injury. They also tested her leg for any nerve damage by seeing if she could turn her paw the right way.
Come on, you can do it. Yes, good job.
She needed a really heavy dressing on her leg to completely immobilize and stabilize the joint.
Ah, she's such a good patient.
She looked unbelievably cute in her big bandages.
Oh, she's grown so much. In 3 weeks, she almost doubled in weight and was so much stronger. Her wounds were healing well, and she was a lot brighter. Unfortunately, her right foreleg was still quite inflamed.
Oh,
And she couldn't put much weight on it. Although that didn't stop her from trying. The wound on her back was also healing well.
hey, Tumlong.
And she had so much puppy energy. She was such a happy puppy. Her leg was completely healed, and the hair was growing on the wound on her back. We knew it was nearly time to let her start running around with the other puppies.
Okay. This is Tumlong now.
It's wonderful seeing her having fun in the puppy run. She even enjoys her checkups with puppy run vet Dr. Nat, who is delighted with her progress.
She is joyful, playful, and full of energy and get along well with her friends. We hope Tumlong will find a new home and be safe and loved forever.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to help end the suffering of stray animals in Asia. We couldn't do what we do without your support.